Now we got Bo up on the 16 horse. Let's see if he does any good today. Uh-oh, I think we just broke. Uh-oh, I think we broke.
She's done. She's like, what's going on? She's like, what you do, Dad? You broke it. Really is. She's going like that. She was too. Here, what I do? Yep, Dad did. Dad broke it. That's it.
Hey, what'd he do? Okay, guys, we're gonna look and see what just happened. Oh, look. Looky here. Came out the side of the motor. See, this is why we have safety shields. So that way nobody gets hurt.
I knew it was going to blow apart as soon as I heard it. Here you go. Good day at the track.
And
there's a rod bearing. New motor.
There's the rod bearing.
I don't know what came up and hit me, but took a chunk out of my fucking hand.
Hey, you saved the starter at least.
Yeah. And that's why we head strap our motors.
And the head strap safety.
Hey.
We head strap our motors. And there you go. Blew the side of it right out. So, this is what happens.
New motor. Got another one under the bench. We'll build another one.
Now I guess we got to go back and build some more for us.
That's just a single cylinder.
And the other one right here isn't coming off the trailer today either. We blew a head gasket as soon as we started it this morning here at the track. So now we got to do a head gasket on that one. We got to build a new motor for the 16 class. And Polar Bear Ed, his tractor right there, it's not coming off the track, going onto the track either. He blew a head gasket this morning as soon as he started it. So we think it was because of the bad gas. Or the fuel, should I say. So those two are down. This one was down, and I was going to pull pitch black today. After Bo pulled, I was pulling. So anyhow, everybody have a good day. We'll show you some more pulls. And there's Twisted, and there's John. We're going to see him pull his twin. Mark built another one, put it back together, put one together for him. He got another twin, and we're going to watch him pull his twin. If you remember him, he's the guy that we made the video about getting taken advantage of. So we'll bring you back here in a minute. You can watch some more pulls and see all these guys. We're all here. We're watching the pulls today. And we even got our future tractor puller with us today. Where's she at? There she is. And she loves the tractor pull. So we'll bring you back.